स्पोर्ट्स रडार आणि जिनियर स्पोर्ट्साक गोवा प्रोफेशनल लिगात 3 मॅचींनी मॅच फिक्सिंगेचो दुबाव GFN प्रकरण क्रायम ब्रांचीक दिला. फाटल्या टर्मात 2019 सावन 28 मॅचींचेर अशेच दुबाव उक्तायिल्ले, मात त्या वेळार कारवाय जावना. GFAचो अध्यक्ष प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो.
For this season, we got red flag of 3 matches. Tetun Welsa, Garden Angel, then Kalangut.
Yeah. Kalangut versus I'll get you there. Altogether 3 matches involving Kalangut Association. There are Guardian Angel, of course, Welsau, and one match was with Dempo and one with Panjim footballers. Okay, the reports actually they have sent a report which clearly mentions that Welsau and Guardian Angel should be investigated because they were on the losing side. Okay, and the score predicted by the betting agencies and the tracking that was done by the sports radar and Genius Sports, the integrity issues were there, and as per their reports we have given
they agreed the red flag.
Yeah, as per their reports we have again come to the crime branch here and submitted the reports to them also. So in that regard these 2 teams were called first because they clearly say that these 2 teams should be investigated.
Okay. Whether they were involved in.
It's about match fixing that has taken place, and it's not only just about these 3 matches. Going back, there are another 28 matches that were red flagged by the same agencies. Right from 2019 onwards, another 28 matches were red flagged. Subsequently, we have just submitted the 3 matches as of now, but in due course we will give all those other reports as well to the crime branch.
ते म्हणटा 2019तल्यान रेड फ्लॅग रेज जाता आमच्या गोंयच्या मॅचींचेर. फाटले जी कमिटी आसली तेंच्यांनी हे इश्यू क्रायम ब्रांच पर्यंत वा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनाक घेवना.
तेच प्रॉब्लेम जालो. तेन्ना आमी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन या क्रायम ब्रांचाक या पुलिसांक इनवॉल्व केल्ले जाल्यार आयज आमकां हे फेस करपाक मेळनासलें. आनी फुटबॉलाचो जो पेस आसा, जो फुटबॉल आमी गोवा स्टेट गेम आसा ती इतले खाला हेजेर पडपाची नासली. लास्ट 4 years तेंच आमी उलयताले पयले. आतां आमी न्यू कमिटी चेंज जाल्या अँड वॉट एवर पॉसिबल फॉर बेटरमेंट ऑफ फुटबॉल वी आर वर्किंग. सो आनी हांव म्हाका इतली खुशी भोगता आमचे CMाक जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंताक सांगलें, सर मॅचीन अशें जाता, आमचें नांव पिड्ड्यार जाता बिकॉज ऑफ मॅच फिक्सिंग. सो तेणें इमिजिएटली आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलें, यू डोंट वरी, वॉट एवर टू बी डन वी वील टेक केअर. आनी तेणें क्रायम ब्रांचाक दिवन आयज आमकांय खुशी भोगता हें फ्युचराक जावपाक नाका म्हणून. आनी खंय तरी तेजेर आमी एक स्टॉपेज हाडपाक जाय. आमी तेंच सांगलें, ऑफिसराक रिपोर्ट सबमीट केलो आनी तेंच्यांनी क्लबांक आयज 2 वेल्सांव आनी गार्डन एंजलाक प्रेजिडेंटाक आपूण तेंच्यांनी सांगलें, पळय तुमी आयज हें स्टॉप करचें ना, फ्युचराक तुमकां खेळपाक रेलिगेट जातलें. सो तांकां क्लियर मॅसेज दिल्या. आतां ते क्लबांचेर आसा, फ्युचराक अशें रेड फ्लॅग येवपाक नाका म्हणून आमी एक्शन घेतलां.
ओके, आतां ह्यो 3 मॅची घेतल्या पळय न्हू, 3 मॅची जाल्ल्यो त्यो तुमच्या टर्मान जाल्ले आनी फाटले जे रेड फ्लॅग रेज जाले ते तुमी परत घेतले.
हय, ते आमी ऑलरेडी हें केलां. आमच्यो ह्यो ज्यो ऑलरेडी आमी प्रोसेस चालू केला. 18, 19, 20, 2021, 22 ज्यो कितें जाल्ल्यो आसा त्योय आमी रिपोर्ट तांकां सबमीट करतले.
ओके, सर क्रायम ब्रांच असले मॅटर्स इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करून कंक्लुजनाक वचपाक शकता कशें कितें?
Definitely, they have the powers, okay, to, crime branch have vast powers to go into the depth of it. So, calling out for even, bank accounts and mobile numbers, WhatsApp communications. They have vast powers where only they can handle such an investigation.
Okay. एक तुम्ही स्टेप घेतला. दिस इज स्टेप टुवर्ड्स क्लीन फुटबॉल.
Yes, my vision is there. In our vision plan also we say, let's football in proper sense, not to fix and kill the football. And I'm once again thanking our Honorable CM to support us to grow football in better way and clean the whatever is happened in last so many years in football and betterment of football.
आमचे प्लेयर मॅच फिक्सिंगात आसचे ना, मात चौकशी जावन सगळे स्पष्ट जातात ते बरे म्हूण चौकशेक मुखार गेल्ले क्लबाचे पदाधिकारी उलयले.
घायल तें बरें घायल तेमी तें इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपा जाय कित्याक ते म्हणटा एक 2 प्लेयर ना 4 प्लेयर तितून इनवॉल्व आसताय आख्खें क्लबान हांव पिड्या जाता ते आमकां हें खबर आसना की फिल्डार कितें जाता आनी कितें तें सो तें इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक घायल तें बरें घायलां इन्वेस्टिगेशन करपाचें.
तुमकां डावट येता तुमच्या प्लेयरांची कोण आसूं शकता सो
चोय हांव सगळ्यांक विचारता जेन्ना हांव प्लेयरांक टॉक दिता सगळे 1 to 1 विचारता ते म्हणटा न्हय हांव तेंकां हें विचार हाल्यार सांपडल्या मुजगुन्यांव करनाकाय ते तुमगे फ्युचर.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing. There is no case at all in this. They have already warned us not to get indulged in such activities. That's what they have said.
रेड फ्लॅग कितें रेज जाले म्हणटा.
Yeah, that regarding the red flag, I have told them we don't know anything about red flag. What is the red flag or black flag or yellow flag? We are not aware. These things are happening somewhere in London. What we have got to, the clubs have got to do.
Matches are played in Goa.
Matches are played here and flags are shown there. And we have been brought here by the agency, by JFA to give answers here. Of course, if something is there, it has to be cleaned up. I'm for it.
तेच करतात ते ॲक्च्युली ते.
Yeah, they are doing. But they should not have called us here, honestly. Get the evidence and then should have called us here.
मॅच फिक्सिंग केसींत चौकशी सुरू केल्या म्हूण क्रायम ब्रांचीचो PI शेरीफ जॅक्सन प्रुडंटाक सांगले.
JFN had given us a complaint regarding some matches were red flagged, and they believe that the matches were fixed. So application they have given to us, and we have started the inquiry. Today we had summoned 2 clubs, that is Wellsong Sports Club and Garden Angel Sports Club. Statements are being recorded. We are cross-checking with the players and the captain and the management.
Okay.
So hopefully we should come to a conclusion, but the investigation has started.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिरकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.